All interested parties in the ICC cases have shunned the petition by Kenya's permanent representative to the UN, Macharia Kamau, seeking to have the charges facing 3 Kenyans dropped, beginning with the accused, then the prosecutor, and now the Attorney General. With the country's top leadership and the government's advisor appearing to be in the dark, the question now begs, on whose authority did Kamau write the letter?
Sometimes there are well-wishers, sometimes there are people that think that they can help, and they say things that perhaps in good faith that really are unhelpful. All we need to do, and all His Excellency needs, is for people to tell the truth before the court.
The Attorney General sent a statement to newsrooms Friday evening saying, quote, "The government hopes that this case will be brought to an expeditious conclusion in terms of the Rome Statute and international law," end of quote. This just moments after the prosecutor of the ICC, Fatou Bensouda, told the UN Security Council that Kenya was attempting to politicize the judicial processes of the court. Although he could not verify whether the Kenyan envoy had indeed written a confidential letter to the UN Security Council's president, Deputy President William Ruto's lawyer Karim Khan said it was not the wish of the accused for the case to end that way.
He was not briefed, he was not consulted on this story, on the report, nor does it represent the policy of the government of Kenya. The important thing to remember is that His Excellency and the defense team are not running away from the ICC. We never have, we never will. We have nothing to hide.
The Attorney General affirmed in his statement that the official position of the government of Kenya was that it has cooperated fully and shall continue to cooperate to the International Criminal Court on all matters relating to the 2 Kenya cases. The State Law Office was allowed to present documents demonstrating that the government has assisted the court and is ready to provide further assistance as is necessary. The court went ahead to invite other parties to comment on the documents filed by the government. Although the prosecutor thinks otherwise, as she stated publicly before, the AG argues it is inaccurate to suggest that the government is not cooperating with the court.
The government of Kenya failed to provide my office with important evidence. I fully respect the government of Kenya, and I remain committed to working with the government at all times. It is, however, with a heavy heart that I have to express my dissatisfaction with the way the government has reacted to key requests for assistance on a number of issues.
A Kenyan delegation is expected to continue the engagement of the presidency of the court, the registrar and the prosecutor next week during a conference bringing together countries that are party to the Rome Statute. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.